Hello guys, I'm going to walk you through the elements that I created for my class. So on the general page where you first open up, I have the welcome, where I welcome and greet my students, and they have the information for how to get in contact with me and the links that they would need to get started in the classroom with looking at the resources. All right. And then the next post in there is an introduction, a video introduction that I created for the students to listen to and just welcome them to the classroom. The next link I have here is the Zern website that they will use very often with the assignments that they have in the classroom. So the website Zern and Clever is also a website that they will use. So it has a link here on the general section, and then there's also a link at the top of the page where they can go to those websites to do the assignments that they will need to do within their platform. All right, so the next part, I have the introduction, and it's links to videos that they will use when they are working in the platform. So the videos teach them how to do the different activities that they will need to do to turn in assignments, to view assignments, to do their work in the platform. So they have the navigation directions, completing assignments, attending class, the different links that gives them information on what they would need to know to do the assignments in the course. All right, and then the next part of our menu over here tells them about the requirements of the course. So they have the technology requirements that they would need to see and follow. I have links for the Wi-Fi accessibility, and if they don't have Wi-Fi, there are links there to help them gain access to internet. And then again, with technology, if they don't have the technology that they need, here are some resources that they could use to get technology. The student prerequisite, these are the skills that they would need. And in the introduction section, not introduction, I'm sorry, the course requirement section, they have a section that helps them with videos on how to gain those prerequisite skills that they need to complete the assignments in the course. So if they don't have those prerequisite skills that they need here, they can go through these videos to gain those skills. And then I have a link for the UDL ADA requirements. And then the course evaluation. This part they won't get access to until the end of the course, but it's there for me to activate for them when it's time for them to do that. All right, then over here on the left, you have those sections, the units that are being developed for them to use. So at the beginning of every unit, in the post section, I give them a reminder about how to give feedback, how to get getting feedback, and how to get support for the assignment. So they see this in every section that they log into. And then under the files, it's separated by week. And then when they click on the resources for that week, they have each day separated in. So this is the lesson that we will go through together, and the exit ticket that they will complete, and then the problem set that they're going to complete. They do the problem set in class, whether it's virtual or face-to-face. And at the end of the session, we go through the problem set together, and I give them the answers for that course and for the information. Once they go through the problem set, they do it independently, and at the end we go through it together to get the correct answers and talk about how we got those answers. Once they finish the problem set, my assessment to determine if they know the information that we went through, if they picked up on any of the information, they get an exit ticket each day. And the exit ticket is just 2 or 3 questions containing that same information that we went over that day. And that's in each section for each day in the course. Now let's go back to the main page and look at some of the resources. Now here they go to Zern. Zern is a website that they will use that aligns with the resources that they have and the content that they learn in the course. So when they log in here, they will cover the same information we covered in class, but it's a computer version. They go through the concept, they teach the concept, then they give them practice activities, and then it gives them like an exit ticket on here also, so they can kind of measure and gauge what they have learned. And then the second resource that they have is Clever, and that's provided by the county. Going into Clever, they will go in and access the other resources that they have within the school system for them. So they'll be able to log in here, and they go to the website where they get the other links. So they also work in Splash Learn, and they have a link in there for Zern, and then they also have a link for Dreambox. So those are some of the other websites that they will go to complete assignments. The Clever website is just a space to hold the resources that they would go to. So if they go to Splash Learn, the Splash Learn resources are aligned with the standards that we cover. So the assignments and activities that they complete there are aligned with the activity that they learned that day. And then the other one was Dreambox, which is also aligned by standard. So whatever standard we covered that day is the standard that they will practice when they log into the program. And that's a quick run through of what's in the learning platform that I created.